For example, sex is an energy which is not supposed to be indulged into. It has a use. It is a sacred thing. But we are not looking at it as sacred. Either it's a social commodity or it's a social disaster. But in itself, it's pure energy. You can't call soil bad. It gives birth to plants, So you can't eat soil also. You can't make it your lifestyle. It's that this energy is our potential energy. And if you are against your potential energy, you cannot do anything in your life. And most of the people don't realize their failure in life happens because their own contradiction with happiness and joy. As soon as happiness comes, a disaster also comes because that is their original design. They're trained to be like that. So for that, this awareness has to be given to people and that's where Hinduism helps a lot, that, you address energy as not sexual energy, but as a Durga.
Divine energy.
Om Durga Devaya Namaha. Once you change your attitude, like for example, if you chant every day to yourself, Om Durga Devaya Namaha, your whole attitude will change. Everything, every sensuality, every thought, every emotion is Durga's form. Your whole attitude changed. Now you are honoring it. Ki tera roop hai, what are you telling me? If ladies especially can do this, they'll become, you see, another fear is men. Women are much more powerful than men. But men are afraid, so they're controlling them. Because women can handle 20 men also. Men can't handle one woman only. Because women are mothers. They have very powerful vital force, sexuality. That's why women are controlled, You see, it can't be just out of the blue that mother of Pandav said कि जो भी लाए हो पांचों बांट लो, पांचों की एक पत्नी होगी द्रौपदी. Means there must have been a tradition, Women were having many men, And women must be happy right now listening to it. Point is not that. Point is that woman has the capacity because she's a mother. She can handle, And also it's evolution-wise more healthy also to see this point that female body knows which male body is right, but we do arranged marriages. उसमें कोई नहीं देखा जा रहा. Like in my class, I was telling that your relation will work with somebody only when you like their smell. If you don't like their smell, it will not work, no matter what. Because chemistry-wise, you are in clash. Psychology तो भूल ही जाओ. But today, सब perfume में है. आपको पता नहीं लगता, बाद में धोखा लगता है. This is just a point I'm making.
Right.
We are not trusting the Shakti. We are judging it. We are trusting our childish rules and regulations.